Camera app icon missing on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can solve if your camera application, the icon especially, is missing from the home settings on your iPhone. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your camera app icon is missing on your iPhone and you want to get it back again, there are some things that we can do. First of all, just keep your ears at heart and know that the camera app cannot go anywhere. It's a system application, so it cannot be deleted. The only thing is that it must have been hidden. As you can see, I'm not finding on my home screen. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and then simply go to app library, and from here we can just search for the camera app, and as you can see, it's right there. So I can just long press the camera app icon there, then I can tap on add back to home screen, and you can see I've added to my home screen. If I want, I can add them or just drag them to the bottom dock as well and tap the done button. If you're still not being able to use camera from here, you can also add a shortcut of camera to your lock screen by just long pressing on it, going to customize, selecting lock screen, and add the camera toggle over here by tapping the plus icon and selecting camera to add the icon to your lock screen. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.